Jesuit prince and activist Stan Swami, and accused in the Alkar Prasad Mauni sling case, passed away on Monday. His counsel informed the Bombay High Court when the court told his bail plea. Swami's lawyer has moved to the Bombay High Court on Monday morning seeking an urgent hearing on his medical bail plea after the octogenarian health condition deteriorated on Sunday and he was put to ventilator support. Taking a dig at the BJP over the leadership changes in Uttarakhand, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav on Sunday argued the Saffron Party to transfer Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath to the hill state. He said in this way Uttarakhand will get rid of daily problem of leadership changes. Yadav was apparently referring to the change of guard in the Uttarakhand after the BJP leader Tirath Singh Rawat resigned as the state's chief minister on Friday after holding the post of less than 4 months. Senior BJP leader Devendra Fadnavis on Sunday said his party and firmly allies Shiv Sena as not enemies, though there are differences of opinion on the certain issues between them, and added there are no ifs and buts in politics. Responding to the queries on whether this is possible, your two former allies coming together, Fadnavis said appropriate decision will be taken depending on the situation. When asked about the recent meeting with Union Home Minister Amit Shah and possibility of BJP and Shiv Sena coming together, Fadnavis said there are no ifs and buts in politics. Decisions are taken as per prevailing situations. Having remained incommunicado for 47 days, 5 members of a Dalit tribal family in Nemavar town of Devas, around 40 km from Madhya Pradesh commercially capital Indore, were finally traced on June 29. All of them stripped, stabbed to death and buried inside a 10-foot deep pit in the farmland. The dead included 4 females and a boy, all belonging to the same family, 3 of the minors among the dead. It soon emerged that the murders took place following a failed to love affair. The incident, which involved the farm owner and his brother, has brought shockwaves on the state. The deceased include Mamta Caste, 45, her daughter Rupali, 21, and Dipali, 14, and cousin Pooja and Paswan Oswal. All of them were stripped, hacked, and stabbed to death one by one, buried in 10-foot deep pit in the farm in Nemavar town, the police said. Actor Sarath Kelkar rose to fame through TV on the Barry Pia Kuch To Log Kahenge, Agent Raghav, and Saath Fere Saloni Ka Safar later. Kelkar got his big break on the silver screen 2013 when Sanjay Leela Bhansali offered him supporting role in Goliyon Ki Ras Leela Ram Leela, but a negative supporting role gave him typecast in Bollywood industry. The year 2020 brought in great luck for the actor as he offered Tanaji, the unsung warrior, and Lakshmi in the former movie. He played Maratha King Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in Lakshmi and essayed the role of a transgender. The actor received critical accolades from both critics and audience from the film. Fans were impressed by his acting chops, and Kelkar proved that he has much more to offer as compared to Brown. But now, not all people know that the actor whose dialogue delivery has made people suffer from speech disorder in his childhood. Kelkar has fought a very long battle with stammering.
That's all for today. For further updates, stay tuned with News 19.